Problem number 4 and number 5 on photoelectric effect. It says ultraviolet radiation, wavelength, let's get our pen. Wavelength lambda is equal to 250 times 10, 10 to the minus 9. On a metal target, electrons are liberated, which means are removed, that the maximum kinetic energy is equal to 1 times 10 to the minus 19 joules, which is the lowest frequency. So that means we're trying to find the threshold frequency for this problem. So T turns out, whoa. So you know phi is equal to HFT, right? So you know divided by H divided by HFT turns out to be phi over H. Now come back up here and recall that E photon is equal to HF plus, E photon is equal to max KE plus phi. So you need that work function. So that work function is EP minus KE. So you know that work function turns out to be HF minus KE, which this phi turns out to be HC over lambda minus 1/2 mv squared. But if you notice, don't need this since they gave it to me already here. This guy here is in joules, so we just keep rocking and rolling. It's your call here. You could do some wonderful algebra. So that becomes, let's draw a line through this. That becomes HC lambda minus KE. You could stick this guy right here over here, and then you can come down here and do some pretty cool math. So FT threshold frequency turns out to be HC lambda minus KE over H. That's a lambda right here, which means this simply turns out to be kill C minus KE over H. Hold that thought. If this is C, that is the speed of light. This is, take a pause here for just a second. I want to think something through. Got it. Wanted to make sure when I was checking my math right here. Let me get rid of that numerator. My math, A cancel, but I'm at the 1 lambda KH. Not just simply again yours. E equals times to the A divided by lambda, which was 2, which in 2 5 10 to the 8th 9 minus my E was 1 times 10 to the minus 9 just over this constant. Right? Cool. Tells me that F to B. I get my hand calculator. 1.5 times 10⁵ hertz. Alright. B says corresponding you know that the B here, that C equals lambda F by F, lambda equals C over. And you can plug it off. You can get right there. Remember it's what? 3 times 10 to the 8th. So F equals 1.5 10 to the 10th. See, mess, you know what I'm with this. Go check in, make sure.